Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So today we are going to start the topic probability and we are going to solve coin problems on probability. So what is probability? Probability means the possibility or occurrence of an event. The formula for probability is favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. The probability value always lies between 0 and 1. So for coin problems, the outcomes are heads and tails. The total number of outcomes formula is 2 power n. If we are tossing 10 coins, the total number of outcomes will be 2 power 10. So here n is number of coins tossed. Here is the first question. If two coins are tossed, find the probability of getting A. At least one head, B. Same faces. So first of all we have to find the total number of outcomes. So here we are tossing two coins. Then the total number of outcomes will be 2 power 2, that is equals to 4 outcomes, and the outcomes will be heads and heads, heads and tails and head, and tails and tails. So first question A, at least one head. So here we are finding at least one head in 1, 2 and 3 cases. So the probability will be 3 by 4, that is favorable outcome is 3 and total number of outcome is 4. So the probability of at least one head is 3 by 4. Then the second question B is same faces. So here we are getting same faces, heads and heads and tails and tails. So two chances. So the probability will be 2 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 2. If three coins are tossed, find the probability of getting A. At least one tail, B. Exactly two heads, C. No tail. So first of all we have to find the total number of outcomes. So here we are tossing three coins. The total number of outcomes will be 2 power 3, that is equals to 8, and the outcomes will be as follows here given. So the probability first one, at least one tail. So for at least one tail there are 7 chances and total number of outcomes is 8. So the probability is 7 by 8. Second question, exactly two heads. So to getting exactly two heads there are 3 possible outcomes and total number of outcomes is 8. So the probability is 3 by 8. And C, no tail. So the chance of getting no tail is 1 and total number of outcomes is 8. So the probability is 1 by 8. A fair coin is tossed 100 times. Find the probability of getting a tail odd number of times. First of all we have to find the total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes, here it is equals to 2 power 100, and we have to find the probability of getting a tail odd number of times. So if it's getting one time, the selection will be 100C1, 3 times 100C3, so and so on, plus 100C99. So it is in the form of NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 and so on. So the formula is 2 power n minus 1. So here n is 100, so 2 power 100 minus 1, that is equals to 2 power 99. So the probability is 2 power 99 by 2 power 100, which is equals to 2 power 99 by 2 power 99 into 2. So the 2 power 99 and 2 power 99 will be cancelled. The remaining will be 1 by 2, which is the required probability.